Welcome to watch the tutorial video of HubSAN ZINO Mini series. Charging battery. ZINO Mini series is equipped with two charging methods: intelligent charging head and charging butler. Intelligent charging head charging. With the intelligent flight battery off, plug the charging adapter into the intelligent battery connector. Connect the adapter to the charging head with the microUSB cable. Standard version will not include the adapter. You could use normal phone adapter to charge the drone. By 9-volt two-way charger, the charging time is about 2.5 hours. Intelligent battery level indicator will flash and indicate the current battery level under charging. Intelligent battery is fully charged when power indicator's lights are all solid on and the charging head indicator is on. The Charge Manager allows 4 batteries continuously charging one by one. It can be as a power bank to charge controller, phone, etc., which is a more safe and efficient charging method. With the intelligent flight battery off, plug the intelligent battery into the Charge Manager connector. Connect the microUSB cable to the Charge Manager connector. Connect equipped adapter. It starts charging after the connect the power supply. Intelligent battery level indicator will flash and indicate the current battery level under charging. Intelligent battery is fully charged when Charge Manager indicator light and battery indicator light are all solid on. Thanks for watching.